Good afternoon, students. Our next topic is real-time operating system, that is RTOS. Real-time operating system. So this real-time operating system consists of two parts, that is real-time and operating system. Real-time and operating system. That is, this one is hardware, that is RTOS, application program, application program and user. Okay, this is the real-time embedded system. Real-time embedded system with RTOS. Real-time embedded system is with RTOS. Okay. So this operating system is, what do you mean by operating system? Operating system is nothing but the collection of systems, calls or functions which provide an interface between user and application program. Okay, user and application program. And what do you mean by real-time system? Are those in which the correctness of the system depends upon not only on the logical result of comparison, but also the time, at which the results are produced. Okay, this is the real-time operating system. These real-time operating systems are classified as real-time operating systems are classified as RTOS is classified as hard real-time system, hard real-time system, soft real-time system. Soft real-time system. Okay, these RTOS are classified as, and third one is firm real-time system. Firm real-time system. Firm real-time system. Hard real-time system, soft real-time system, and firm real-time system. Firm real-time system. Okay. So what happens in hard real-time system? Real-time system operating adhered to the timing constraint for a task is referred as are real-time system. Okay. For examples, missile, rocket, missile, rocket launching launching airbag, control system are example of this hardware time system. Hardware time system. And what happens in software time systems? Real time systems that does not guarantee meeting deadlines but offer the best effort to the meet the deadlines are referred to as software time system. For example, ATM, that is ATM, automatic teller machine, is the example of this software time system. Software time system. This software time system consists of, most of the times consists of human beings in the loop. Human beings in the loop. But in hardware time system, there is no human beings in the loop. Okay, इसमें क्या रहता है, ह्यूमन बींग्स जो रहता है वो लूप में नहीं होता है, इसमें ह्यूमन बींग्स क्या होता है, लूप में होता है. ओके, then for real time system, missing a deadline might result in an acceptable quality reduction but may not be lead to failure of the complete system. For example, automatic parachute opening device is the example of a firm real-time system. Firm real-time system. Okay. Then we will see the architecture of RTOS. Next topic is architecture of RTOS.